welcome back to my video, and today I'm going to show you more about my squishy. I'm going to show you how I really absolutely squish it though. Sometimes I squish it like this and sometimes, but that is not the real way I really squish it. The real way I squish it is like this. You let it rise. That's a big defect. And this one, the top came out. My friend's gonna buy me a milliliter weight, so what else? This is how I always squish it. I like doing like this, and then you like make like a shape at the middle and squish it. It's like so good. I'm sitting in front of food. I'm going to dinner soon. Yep, and my sister absolutely just squished like this. Yay! That's so good, yay! That's actually really squishy. And I absolutely squish it like this. Let's just squish it once. That's also quiet, I guess. I know you're not focusing because I'm looking. What about if we zoom in to squish it? There's no license now. Like, seriously, no license. Still license in the phone, though. I'm going to Chadham's birthday party. Yeah, I don't know if he let me to make a video there, but I don't care. I don't know. Look at that ketchup girl. Ketchup girl. You really look like strawberry girl. I should make my new squishy channel called Poonie Mario. Squishy girl jeans. I really want the milliliter whale, but I don't want the belly. I kind of want the belly though. They're like also famous right now. Especially the Iblim squishies. I think there's like Iblim or something, but there's no license. There's focus system. I know there's like this tiny things, but I do think they're molecules. Let's see my fingers are here, right? Let's squish this part. I'll show you the real way. This is not so rising. This is a little bit slow rising. This is super slow rising. And this one is going to be the best. This is the very, 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 very slow rising one. It's the where's it going? I like it when the part like where you squish it and I leave it there. And then like slowly brings you up. Focus on the squishy, don't focus on my hands. You're not focusing. I need my sister has to buy me for this time. Boom, defects. So, my mom is back. I gotta go. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below which squishy is your favorite in the whole wide world. What do you want to buy? When I did a giveaway, if I have a lot of squishies. And yeah, comment down below that. Give it a like, subscribe, and bye guys.